Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. I've turned my attention to my 1979 BMW 635CSi. This is a Euro spec car that's powered by the very cool M90 engine. And I'm doing I guess you can say, a very sympathetic refurbishment on the car. It's got all brand new leather, front and back, a brand new headliner, which I'll show in another video. But I wanted to detail some of the chassis and engine things that I'm working on right now. As you can see, there is no suspension, brakes, or any type of steering components on the car. It's all been removed. And same with the rear. And just over the last few days, actually, I actually cleaned and scrub the entire chassis of the car, so by hand no less. So underneath the car is really clean, and you can see the wheel wells. Everything came out really nice. All the undercoating is all gone, and you can see the Fjord Blue color. It looks fantastic. It's been really well preserved, and the car is almost 42 years old, so really it looks great. And I'm actually going to take the car and take it down to bare metal in about 2 weeks and have the entire car painted, and then it'll be really spectacular. My focal point right now is to get all the mechanical things done. Then the last folks to touch the car will be my body and paint guys, and then the car will be finished. But so anyway, that's the exterior of the car. Let me show you what I have going on inside the garage. I've actually finished all the work on my 1991 560 SEC, and I actually have to put some brand new tie rods in, which is over here, and that'll take, only a few minutes. But it's all finished and complete. Everything came out really nice, actually, and looking forward to putting the car back on its wheels and then driving it with the new brakes and new suspension. So I think it'll be even more of a joy to drive when I'm done. But anyway, that's done. That'll be back on its wheels tomorrow. So here we have my garage, and it looks like, as my friends say, a car exploded inside here. And really, all these parts in front of you is actually all the parts in front of you. They will be going on the car, the BMW that I just showed you, the blue 635, in the next week or two. So I can give you a quick rundown of everything that's going to go in the car, starting from the front of the room here. We got rebuilt rear axles, rear shoes, all new belts. I have a new steering coupling. Here's the old one that came off. New steering coupling made out of polyurethane. End links for the front and rear sway bars. Then this is a brand new diff mount from BMW. These are new polyurethane rear trailing arm bushings that I've all bought from Ireland Engineering. All brand new silicone hoses from Ireland Engineering. Brand new badges for the trunk and the hood from BMW. New plugs. New plug wires right here from Ireland Engineering. And new brake hoses, braided brake hoses from BMW. I got the spring, the rubber spring insulators, and I got some, let's see, moving along, brake pads, front and rear brake pads, left and right tie rods, and center link. Those are the old tie rods over there. New air filter, all new washers that have been powder coated for the tension compression rods and also for some of the suspension pieces. A new intake manifold gasket, new thermostat cap, a new rotor for the distributor. Here are the old brake shoes right here. I even was able to find a brand new, what BMW calls the Warnblinker, which is the hazard switch. This is a new old stock BMW part. So this was expensive, even though it was new old stock. This alone cost me almost $150, but it was good to get it. And then all new gaskets for this thermostat. And what else do we got here, guys? Brand new rear Bilsteins and a bunch of powder coated items. Here's the front subframe, and here are the rear supports for the rear subframe. Tension compression rods are here in the center. There are the heat shields for the exhaust manifold, valve cover, intake manifold, thermostat housing. Here are all the sway bar supports or mounts. There are the brand new strut mounts, the old rear ones over there. Brand new drill and slotted rotors. And over there we have new engine mounts. And we have over here the air box has been all powder coated. Here are the actual engine mounts here, left and right. And here is the cowl cover that goes over the blower motor. And here are parts of the M90 intake manifold that's been powder coated that go onto this guy over here. These two pieces right here, they go inside the wheel well. These are sort of the fender guards to protect the inside of the fender. These all have been powder coated. And then what else do we have? All the calipers have been rebuilt, as you can see here. Here are the sway bars that have been powder coated, springs powder coated, and then the struts. There were new front struts, and everything has been powder coated, as you can see. Here are the front calipers that have been rebuilt, and new pads in them. And here are some brackets and such that are ready to go on. That's for all the brake lines and so on. And then from Eastern Europe, I got a bunch of parts for the car. European corner lights and a rear taillight assembly, and just some little odds and ends, trim and so on. Would you believe this box right here, which is not much, this is $1,200 right here in parts. But anyway, it's tough to get in parts. You got to be resourceful. But anyway, it'll all come together. So I have a lot of work ahead of me. I guess one thing that I didn't show you is on the car. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I've already fitted the rear cross member, and I've put in brand new cross member mounts from BMW. And let me just show you that right here. You can see there's the cross member has been powder coated. I just fitted in last night with all brand new fasteners, either grade 8.8 or 10.9, and it's all fitted, ready to go. And today I'm gonna fit the diff in and the rear trailing arms, or rear control arms, and I've also got brand new bushings, as I just showed you for that. I guess one thing that I didn't show was I spent about over $200 to buy all brand new zinc oxide fasteners from Bellmetric. So every nut and bolt that came off the car is going to be replaced with brand new fasteners. So this box has well over $200 worth of brand new fasteners for the BMW, and it'll be great to put everything back together, renew everything on the car, and get it running again. So I'm looking forward to that. The cars it ran really well before, but it'll be even that much better after I'm done. And so stay tuned, guys. It's going to be fun and a lot of work ahead of me, but I'm chipping away at it, and stay tuned for more progress on the car coming up. So hope everybody's doing well. Take care and stay tuned.